Hey folks, I'm just out here taking a look at a house for my client who currently lives in California, and he wanted me to swing by a house and take a look at it and just kind of give him some foot feedback. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the house and just check it out and see if there's anything that stands out completely. Of course, all issues that may come up in the house will be brought up in inspection. So I just try to do my best to find anything that sticks out and let my clients know. So I'm always looking at, down at the ground around the edges of the house to see if there's anywhere that the ground is touching the sideboards, at the roof, of course, to see how the roof condition is, and around the house, checking the windows and the vegetation around the house to see if it's touching a house, similar to what a inspector would do. So that's what I'm going to do. Just take a look at things.